Valiant I singer, you know.
Let's get a youth now for just focus on the thing. People want to think are going to strength, not going to strength. Focus, believe in yourself. Because more people see your greatness and don't want you go past them, you see.
I'm mad, yeah, mad out.
Alright, so readers, welcome to another Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Duttyberry here, and today it is all about Popcaan dissing Valiant and Valiant clapping back at Popcaan. And this man who said he is strongly, vehemently passionate about Valiant's Mad Out single. So we'll talk about that right after this little break. Alright, so Popcaan, yes man, the unruly boss, is facing many of a backlash after posting and deleting this where he said that them have memory lost. Wait, hold on, what? Them have memory lost. Boy, anyway, we just leave that right there. So it's a typo. It's a typo. So Popcaan posted this picture, you know, when he visited on stage with some members of his his gang, and in the back you could see to the left you see a young Valiant, and so Popcaan posted on him story with the caption, "Them have memory lost." So he meant them memory loss. So I don't know if Popcaan is feeling that Valiant has become ungrateful, and it just appears that Popcaan is basically saying, "Say, remember, I may bring it to the people them, and so you need to have respect for me." So I do not know fully what is going on behind the scenes, but to many of the fans and spectators, it does look that Popcaan is not being very kind towards Valiant. And so if you don't know, the backdrop to this is that many moons ago, when Valiant, him having moments, you know, him getting big break, this video started to resurface where Valiant was brought up on stage by Popcaan, and in the middle of Valiant's performance, Popcaan interrupted to tell him this.
Forward singer. That you as a singer.
Yeah.
When you sing something for Trelawny.
Yeah.
Trouble.
Unruly. You don't know where chop of them. I'm being chop of there. Dog. Sit, don't run no cheap time. I will let the street hard. You get locked up or head beat off. I'm being chop of there. Dog. Sit, don't run no cheap time. I will at the street time. You get locked up or head beat off. Load up my 9X. I'll be a US and board me a drive with. Me see a fun pussy girl and say she like me. Someone pull over, make she get a ride. For the ladies them now. She says she have a man, but she still want fuck me. Yes, the relationship a fuckery. As me put her on the back, I say she love me. She says she have a man, but she still want fuck me. Yes, the relationship a fuckery. As me put her.
You don't like him? Them not like him. Now I tell you straight. So if you're not ready to go up on stage, don't ask Popcaan for calling up on stage if you're not ready. So you better go training camp. So you tell him, go to the what? Training camp. All bumbo clatters slash up on the light of them, so we got the job on them now. Money off him, no.
And so when the fans them said this, you know, like they were just like, why Popcaan there for this to you, like that, and all kind of things. And this video started to really make the rounds, you know, after Valiant did bust. So you know, at this point him did having fans them and people aside eye look on Popcaan. And so Valiant, he did do an interview and put out say he did agree that him never did a perform well, and him never make nothing much of Popcaan's comments publicly on the stage like that.
Did you feel some type of way when Popcaan comment on your performance at the show in Trelawny?
Honestly, I did feel a way, but I know I never perform good. Because when I jump out on the stage, I didn't even introduce myself. Because I did nervous. I never confident. So enough people that say what this, I never this, a real talking to me.
So you respect him for that?
What him say? Yeah, grow me. If you listen to my song, I have a song about that blessings. You see, if you watch blessings video, you see it. And me call it a transformation. What the advice that him give me, it grew me. Come here and say, Bumba, I really get the opportunity to run out on stage with Papi. And me even introduce myself. If you watch it, me even introduce myself. Me I sing and I turn my black so I one bag of nervous, is it?
If I never for the OG, wouldn't believe in myself and sing from your heart and turn in our world star.
Believe me, in up, look out for me right through. I make sure say when me I sing, Valley, fuck with that. And I must say, you can't, more I must say, no sing too much, or I must say, sing from your diaphragm, I must tell you how to construct.
But in that same vein, some weeks later, he did do a show, I think it was up at Yui, where he said this.
Valiant address Popcaan.
When I see a little video when the man run me off the stage, not even applaud, my love, no. For narrate, Mr. Blood clot. Which training camp?
And so right there and then, the spectators, them undecided, yeah, wonder like, is he okay with Popcaan or do they have some sort of beef? Did they fall out? And right about now, I think it's not out of the ordinary for us to just walk away with the feeling that they're not on good terms. They're not on good terms right now. Something is into something. Even Valiant's recent post that he made, people are looking at it as a clapback to Popcaan.
Wait no man, and this appear anybody wanna believe how far we are come from. No boy! None! Let's see how to
Hold on then, as me say, no pussy test.
and we are trying.
No boy.
Yo, I would even about it. Big up Jamaica. Big up who support the diplomats. No! Raccoon! Raccoon!
Go pay for the one that I'm
Go pay for it. I'm mad the mama don't panel, you know.
And so, I don't know what really are going, but I'm hoping that maybe Popcaan at some point will go up on a live, like how TJ they go up on a little live and vent and talk up everything so that we can hear more about it, and that one of them can go up on Jeffrey podcast or on the Fix podcast and do a whole entire back and forth so we can get the true understanding of why they are having some sort of beef. So we can tell that there's a riff, we just don't know the intricacies of it beyond the two videos where, you know, we know say Valiant did get embarrassed and Popcaan is now saying say them have memory lost. ST. Oh wow, this is just messy. Me just hope so them can kind of patch this up. But we're gonna switch up things right now and head over to this officer who had a word, and he is taking aim at Valiant's new song that is called Mad Out. So if you don't know, you know, so this is the song we're gonna talk about.
Move out my way. Now me I'm mad some mad day.
My granny used to tell me, say, I know as leaf drop a water but I make rotten. And from the other day, me hear people are sing this song. But I'm mad them I'm mad out. I'm mad ya I'm mad out. I'm mad ya I'm mad out. Keep prophesying over your life. Keep prophesying that over your destiny. And see if you're not going to heed the reward of your prophecy. People, it's full time we get wise. And you might be looking at it right now and saying it is only a song. It is only entertainment. But these are the devices and the deception of the enemy. That you're speaking negatively. The Bible said that there's life and death in the power of the tongue. And you take it for nothing. But somewhere along your journey, somewhere in your life, you realize that something start go wrong up your. So remember, say, you did I say, I'm mad, yeah, mad out. People who know wise up, understand the devices and the strategies of the enemy, and he will use just about anything to get you out and to mash you up and to tear you down. People, get wise, speak positively over your lives. Bless upon yourself.
So here, when Mr. Berry does, You hear what I'm saying? Like, honestly, me not agree or disagree. If this is his conviction, that is his conviction. I only want to hear sound off on where you think him, if it makes sense, if he's onto something, or you think he's just reaching way too far without no merit to his cause. And so that is what I want to hear from you right now. Now leave a comment. What is your stance on this brother's conviction? So that is it for this countdown quickie. You know, may I give you a trending topics in a jiffy. So I'd love to hear your stance. Are you team Popcaan, team Valiant? And what do you have to say about this man's thoughts on Valiant's new single, Mad Out? That's it for the countdown quickie. So take care until next time. Later.